In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page content strategy step by step. First, open your Facebook page and identify your target audience and the main topic of your page. Next, choose a clear content niche and create several content categories, such as educational posts, tips, tutorials, reels, questions, customer stories, and promotional content. Plan your posts for the week using Meta Business Suite and create a consistent posting schedule. When creating content, use strong hooks, clear captions, attractive visuals, and useful information that encourages people to watch, comment, share, and follow your page. After publishing, open Insights in Meta Business Suite and check reach, views, watch time, engagement, and follower growth. Identify your best performing content and create more posts around those topics. Finally, review your results regularly and adjust your content strategy based on what your audience responds to. That's how you can create a Facebook page content strategy and build a stronger audience over time. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.